SIPUXIN light industry machinery. I am Hazel. As you know, we offer OEM and ODM service. Now I wanted to show you dispersing mixing tanks which we made for our American customers. This is the 60 liters mixing tank. My customer offer it for pre-mixing the cosmetic materials such as the cosmetic cream, cosmetic lotion, and shampoo. Let's see its construction. The top is the mixing motor, and this is the tank body. It's made for 316 steel. And this is the 4 legs. This is the discharge for material outlet from here. And here 4 movable wheels. It can move anywhere you want. And if you want to stop, push this and open. This is the electric component. Okay. Let's see the tanks inside construction. Come on. This is the dispersing mixing handle. Its mass resolution is up to 960 per minute. This is the electric component. You can see we marked every function in English very clear, such as this is the urgent stop, and this mixing on and mixing off. This is the adjustive for adjust the mixing speed. Later, I will show you how to make the speed work. And this is stop. See the electric component inside construction. Open this. You can see the frequency converter. We use ABB brand, which from the Swiss famous brand. And the electric component we use stainless. You can see stainless, ABB. And the wires we made one for one, very clear in the outright. Now let me show you how to operate this machine to work. This is the mixing on. We push this. Then adjust the speed. The speed mass revolution is 960 per minute. Okay, if stop, if the material finish mixing and push this lag mixer off.